This right here, you know what this is called? This is called a dog. But this is a very, very special dog. Well, it's not retarded, but you know, like my dog can say hi, or like I can sync out of camera. I think my dog is the only dog that can be on camera. He can point at you when you're biting at me for some reason. He can point. He can point on the left. He doesn't point. But the best part of my dog, since he has really, really long ears, can you come do Dumbo? Woo! Woo! I'm Dumbo and I can fly. See, like, and you can, my dog can fly when you're holding him. Fly back and forth when you're holding him. I know you guys. And my dog and me love Keisha. Keisha is the best singer ever. Okay? I'm just kidding. But I do like Keisha. She's pretty cool. Like, I don't know. She has swagger. Okay. Well, done with that. Well, speaking of songs, if you want me to sing any song in the world, please leave a comment and I'll sing it. It might be good, it might be bad. We'll just have to figure it out once you post a comment. Peace out, my homies on the west side Compton Crips. I'm just kidding. Don't shoot me, bloods. Do not shoot me. I'm just kidding. I hate them. West side. West side. West side. I'm just kidding again. I'm not in no game. Once again, I'm just kidding. Once again, I'm just kidding. That's the sound for all you dummies in the world. Well, time to ball it up like my name is Cody Bryant. Peace out.